Good morning everyone. I'm back again. Today is the 18th of November, Saturday. And today is an exciting day because I'm going back to a farm that I slept at before in an Airbnb about 2 or 3 weeks ago. So the place is called Vanilla Farms and they invited me to join them in harvesting the rice because they know that I'm interested in farming, and at some point my personal plan is to have a farm in India. So they were so nice to invite me to their farm and harvest the rice today. I personally have no clue how rice is harvested, though I eat it like, at least now in India, a couple times a week. So I hope today we can also learn something new. So it's now almost 8 o'clock. I was supposed to leave like 10 minutes ago, so I'm going to keep this short and let's get going. I just stopped because it's time for a... Where's my glove? Okay. I don't know where, but I think I lost my glove. Oh no, it's in my pocket. So, anyways, it's time for a coconut! Yay! Super thirsty. Thank you. It's a camera. You can wave to the camera. It's coming. Thank you. Cheers. So good when you're thirsty.
तुम्हारे तरफ से?
I don't speak Hindi.
अच्छा.
Hindi नहीं है.
हिंदी नहीं आता?
मेरा नाम नोरा है.
नूर.
नोरा.
नूरा.
तेरा नाम क्या है?
मेरा सरताज नाम है.
सरता?
सरताज. सरताज.
सरताज.
हाँ.
तेरा नाम?
हाँ.
हाँ. Nice name. And you're from Pune? Pune again?
बनारस का है, बनारस का.
Maharashtra?
हाँ, नहीं, बनारस.
Ah, yeah. With the lake?
हाँ.
I'm really enjoying this ride. I think I left the city about 10-15 minutes ago. It was basically a 1 hour ride to get out of Pune. But now, I mean, you also hear it. Now the car is gone. It's when there's no cars, it's quiet. And there's a lot of pretty orange flowers next to the road. So I just arrived here at the Vanilla Farms in Valais. It was a really nice ride. I have some footage from the last time I came here, so I'll edit that in. So the ride was amazing. The weather is also really nice because it's now November, and in the night it gets to like, I don't know, 18, 20 degrees. So in the morning it's around, I think, 20, 23 degrees, something like that, and there's a nice breeze, and at the same time the sun is out. And here in the mornings there's like this kind of misty layer hanging around the mountain, so it's very mystical, and it just feels crisp, and the air feels fresh, especially if you come out of the city. So I just arrived. I got a coffee from this guy, and so I'm gonna enjoy that now. And I'm just waiting for the host to arrive. Let's see. Excited. Hey. Leave the camera.
This is misal pav.
Oh, misal pav.
Misal means mixture.
Mm-hmm.
So we have mixed all kinds of things here. There are lentils, there are there's rasa, there's oil, there's spices. So it's basically a mixture
Right.
with pav. So people eat misal pav or dahi misal, which is curd.
Right.
So if you don't want pav, you can eat this with dahi, yogurt. So tastes good.
Yeah. So it basically just describes what you're eating. That makes
Yes.
sense.
Look at you, cutie.
Careful. Watch your sleeve. Yeah. All right, go for it, Mishti.
Come on.
Oh yeah.
They checked out yesterday.
Right.
Nobody for the week.
Oh, what happened to you? Wow. Hi, pretty. What happened to you? You need some help? An injured butterfly. Look at this place. The cool thing about this garden is that they've planted some edibles. So I think, if I'm correct, these are a type of sweet potato, like Indian sweet potato. These were Indian sweet potatoes, right?
Yes.
Cool. And then there's a lot of fruit trees here as well. Cool place.
Are they called gooseberries?
Gooseberries, these. And that one was
That's mango.
mango.
And that's fenugreek, the little child patch we did.
Oh yeah.
And then we have jamun. I don't know what is jamun.
Yeah, we tried these last time, I think.
Yes.
Why don't they? Oh wow, they already did.
So much.
Yeah. Hello.
So they'll cut it now and they'll just make it lie flat where it was so that it dries.
Ah, so then you just leave it there for
Yeah.
2 days.
Because if it's still in the ground, it
Yeah.
keeps taking nutrition
Right.
and water.
Exactly.
And we need it to dry
Uh-huh.
so it goes in the factory.
Right. So basically today is all about cutting the stems kind of
Yes.
and then putting it down.
Yeah.
And then in 2 days there will be like people picking it up?
Yeah, the same.
Or like a
people.
machine? Ah, okay.
And we'll put it in a tractor which will go.
To the mill?
Yeah, if we don't want it to go to the mill, we can take it to a place, put tarpaulin
Uh-huh.
and thrash it so the grains come out.
Yeah.
And then you make cattle walk on it so that the grain separates from its cover.
Right.
And then once it's done, you take all the mixture, take it high up and let it fall. So with the wind, whatever is light,
Yeah.
the covers flow away and settle, and rice falls right under it. So
Oh.
that's how you separate the
That's how they did it
before.
back in the day.
Some people still do it who cannot afford to take it to the factory.
Right. People here are strong, eh?
Yeah.
And I think they're already halfway, so gotta hurry.
That we would have been just 2 rows down. हो तो जाता बट कितना बोर हो जाएंगे करके. This is the rice.
Oh. And those are just that's the skin kind of.
Yeah.
Ah, so they're inside of these.
Yeah.
In Dutch we call it vliesjes.
You see, it's planted in bunches.
Right.
And that's how we make sure that it grows and gets correct nutrition. Otherwise, if you just grow it randomly,
Yeah.
then they'll just compete with each other and everything will not have enough.
Right, so that's why you keep it kind of a few centimeters apart.
Yeah.
And then how do you plant it? Like,
Yeah, I have videos. So we clear a patch on the land and we just throw rice by hand.
oh yeah.
And then it starts growing.
Hmm.
So this is how it looks.
Yeah.
And then once it's approximately more than a feet,
Mm-hmm.
so this was the whole view.
Oh, and now
And the bulls, they ready the field to be planted.
they're plowing it.
Yeah, they plow it. And while they're plowing it, yeah, that's me.
Ah.
While they're plowing it, what we do is, this is the patch, and we take out the good ones.
Right.
And the bad ones or the grass is just left to float, so it will die eventually.
Right.
And once we have like a whole bunch,
Yeah.
enough to be held between 2 hands together,
Mm-hmm.
then it's tied into like a knot.
Oh yeah, she takes one. Oh no.
No, yeah.
Takes that out. Oh. Why does she do this?
So this is called moot. Moot means whatever you can hold in this hand. So you make multiple of them,
Multiple moots.
moots, and then you throw them all over the field. And then you have a rope which has thread. Oh, that's me. So a rope that has thread equidistant,
Yeah.
and then you plant one each. Like
Yeah.
you take it and you keep.
Ah, the moat, you kind of separate it into
Yeah.
smaller plucks.
Yeah.
And then that's what you plant.
And then this water is almost knee deep.
Yeah.
It's all mud and
It's
water.
a very muddy process.
Yeah, it's a paddy, and that's how you get the equidistant one. So while planting, it's just this big, and once it grows, it's become this big. So as you can see on the ground.
It's cool that you only plant like this small square, and out
Yeah.
of that you get so many plants, and
Yeah.
then it turns into this.
Yeah.
It's the beauty of nature. And now the cutting begins. So this is how much later? Like when did you plant it?
This was in July, 6 or 7 July, we did the patch.
Yeah.
And then 29 July, we did the whole thing.
Right.
Vishti!
Having a rice party.
And now this is after 3 months, 4 months, whatever.
So 3 months of waiting, and then you have rice for the whole year.
Yes.
Nice. Okay, let's get to work, I would say, right?
असं करायचं असं कापायचं असं कापायचं
Hoppa!
किती दिवस?
हे 4 दिवस ठेवायचं
ओके.
हे वाळलं ना मग ह्याला आपण बांधून वर काढू
हां.
वरती कासरामध्ये आपली मशीन येऊन तिथं काढू
ठीक आहे.
तिथं रचून ठेवू कोपीसारखं पाऊस जरी पडला तरी भिजणार नाही
हां.
आणि नंतर मग आपण एक दिवस मशीन बोलू आणि भात करून टाकू.
So they do this all by hand, guys.
So we have to dry this for 4 days because it's still wetter than we expected.
Ah, okay.
हा वेळा वेगळा आहे.
So this one is different from the gardening one. It has a like a
Blade.
teeth here. Normally it's straight,
Yeah.
but that just slides right off the plant
Right.
when it's wet.
Yeah.
So we need the teeth so that it cuts sharply.
Yeah, exactly. So you always use this one, or depending on how dry the rice already
Yeah.
is? Ah, so this is better because it's still a bit wet.
Yes.
Is that because it rained quite a lot during Diwali?
Yeah.
Ah.
We didn't expect it, but you can see some green strands. Those are not supposed to be there.
Right. So it's supposed to be all brown.
All yellow, yeah.
Right.
So instead of 2, we'll dry this for 4 days this time.
Yeah, yeah.
And then we'll crash
तापाचे का
them.
try करून बघा म्हणा.
He's saying you should try.
Try to do it, yeah. If we can, let's do it.
असं करायचं आहे.
You hold it and you just pull it towards yourself.
There we go.
त्याच्यात आलं आपण फक्त.
Woo!
Oh, Opa, I'm a natural. And you hold it like this?
Yeah, whatever's comfortable.
तसं धरलं तरी चालतं. पण जर
Nice.
येतं.
Oh, it's good. It's a strong knife also.
Yeah. And the teeth help. I mean, if it's a smooth knife, it's not that easy.
Easy. Okay, but this is his knife. Maybe we should get some more, no?
Yeah. I'll just go down and get more. Yeah,
I
not
can see
like
that
that.
it's more difficult because some of them are,
Fat, yeah.
yeah.
One motion if you can. Yeah.
Opa, I'll give this to you and then we wait for the
Yeah.
other knives to come. Ah, but it's not as like tough. It's quite smooth.
Yeah. And he does it, he makes it look easy.
Yeah, he does. You definitely see he's done it for a couple of years.
Of course.
So he's a farmer himself.
Yes.
So he also has people working for him, or
He works with us for the whole year.
okay.
And he's got to help us today.
Ah, like that.
Usually his wife accompanies him, but she's not well today, so
Oh, okay.
he got help.
Well, let's hope we're also a bit helpful today. I'm excited. Let's do this.
Pretty far from the river, and even if we do a borewell, the water's too deep. So we rely on the rain, and whenever it's raining season, so basically this is where the water comes from, behind you. Like the whole mountain water comes from here as a waterfall, and we just use that. We can't tell them if it's a crab hole, if it's a snake hole, what. So it's just being paranoid. The more knowledge you have, the more scared you'll be.
They don't seem to be scared at all.
No, we are not scared to work on a laptop, but if we give them a laptop, they'll be scared.
Ah,
The same way.
all the viruses and bugs out there on the net.
Hardly 2 minutes we've been talking, and she's almost all the way.
I feel lazy. I'm gonna do something. Time for lunch.
Yes, very
Woo!
hungry.
We deserved it. Oh my god. Blood, sweat and tears. Gotta appreciate your biryani, people. So the tractor will come here and then pick it up.
Yeah.
Nice.
So the machine will come here first, and we will separate the grain from the
Oh,
plant,
okay. Yeah,
and then take the grain to the factory.
right. And then the plants, I just leave them on the field?
No, you can use them, like we don't, we have a gas cylinder, but you can use it in the, like the wooden stove
Ah, yeah, to
in
cook on.
village homes instead of wood.
Right.
Wow.
So pretty.
We do it on the last day of winter.
Oh wow, look at that butterfly.
हो आम्ही खाली जातोय
Telling you people, India's paradise. So pretty. Look at all these butterflies. Gorgeous. Rice mill, Rajgat rice mill. Oh, it's named after the fort also.
Yes.
See if they're still at work. So the rice is still on them. Hello. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. You?
Fine.
Whoa, it's huge.
Yeah.
So all of this is rice.
Yes.
It's a lot of rice.
People have their names on it so it doesn't get exchanged.
Ah, got it. So this pile is like from one farm.
Yeah.
And then that green one is from one farm. Ah. We also have a crowd. Hello. Ah, they also put all the garlands up here for Diwali probably.
Yes. Because this is also Lakshmi for them. It brings wealth, so they
Obviously.
worship this also.
Yeah. So easy. You just put the plant in there and then just wait what comes out of it here. That's the end result.
Yes.
That's basmati rice, right?
Kutla bhat hai Indrani.
Indrani.
Indrani, the one we have is the same one.
Indrani.
And this has special flavor like aroma.
Right.
3 कलोटी निकलता है एक बारीक कन्नी
Huh.
एक मोटा टुकड़ा एक साबुत
Oh, it gets divided in 3 parts by itself. The grain that breaks into half comes out of one. The grain that's relatively bigger comes out of the other one. And the one that's extremely unbroken, full grain, comes out of one.
So it's separated so it can also be sold as like
Yes.
premium rice and
Lower cost and...
Yeah.
Achha.
Oh, at least now we know a little bit of how it works. So basically the farmers come here, then the plants go in there, and then it just goes through these 9 different machines with 9 different steps, and then it comes out on that side where the bags are, and then that's the rice that's being brought back to the farmer. So yeah, that's where your rice comes from. Dhanyawad. Thank you.
See, this is how it...
Okay, see you. Bye. Pretty here.
Yes, she took it anyway. Play.
Yeah, blame it on the sun. Woohoo! Now what do we do? No.
Oh. Oh, that's okay.
Yeah, you're actually playing good. She got it out of your hand?
Yeah.
Wow. She really wants it.
Catch it! Oh,